Hey guys, this is Lovely, your infidelity and confidence rebuilding coach, and today we're going to talk about multiple things. First, did I ever tell you guys that I was an author? I mean, I'm trying to make a difference. I want to provide you with the things that I wish I had when I was going through all of the different changes that comes our way as we age, as we get older, as we get wiser, as we mature. Some of that is through life, some of that is through trauma. And I was like, what are ways that we have tangible things in our hands to help us understand what we're going through, right? So the first book that I wrote was Affirmations for Zenful Baddies. First, let's just dig the cover, right? Front. This is the back cover. Super proud of this because what I wanted to do was I wanted to give us safe spaces to write about the things that we're going through. Safe spaces to do affirmations. My affirmations are seeds of reality, growing stronger with every word I speak. And then we just talk about those things. And I was like, this one, it was my first baby. And then I was like, I want to do one for mantras because sometimes when you say affirmations, people are like, and I'm like, okay, so we're going to do one for mantras. So we will go mantras for the awakened soul, right? And mantras, prayers, affirmations, chants, different words. Same words, different fonts, right? So today it was, I am a masterpiece and I work in progress, right? And it was just like, we are creating the life that we want to see for ourselves. So this is the front of that one, back. Then I wanted something that was just a little bit different. The Positive Thinking Journal. This Positive Thinking Journal was just a way for me to really look into myself, find different reflective prompts. I wanted to find ways to set goals. I wanted to figure out ways to enhance my mood and my mind, things that benefited me, create weekly vision boards of what I wanted to do. And you really can't see it because the camera isn't picking it up so good, but like, this is one of my favorites, right? It just pulls you in. And then I wanted one for my girlies. I was like, I can't leave my girls out. Hey, that's my best friend because I'm territorial sometimes. However, I was like, let me come up with things. This is really a planning book for best friends. So in here, you have activities. How can you improve your relationship with your best friend, right? And your best friend could be a guy. Your best friend, non-binary. But what you going to do? If you're my best friend, you're going to sit your ass down. And we're going to figure out how to be good to each other. Affirmations for your best friend. Just like cute little ways to say, I love you, right? And it's a great gift to give a friend. So those books are all available on Amazon. I'll put a link in this video. It'll be in the bio, all the things that they talk about. But I so enjoy creating resources. And I feel like that's the reason why I'm on this journey, is to create resources, to find ways for us to understand each other more, to find ways for us to be better to be better for the people that we love. Because first you have to be better for yourself, right? Because if you don't like yourself, you may not be great for everybody. I'm just saying, like, you be like, I can't stand myself, but I love my best friend. Yeah. You're going to have to really work on that, right? Because why aren't you your best friend first? So, Italian sparkling water. I'm telling you, the older I get, the less and less sugar I be trying to put in my body because I want to get on people's nerves for a really long time and I want to be healthy while I'm doing it. That's the bottom line. I want to be here for a long time to get on the people that I love's nerves. Okay. That was the end of this video. Anyway, thank you for your support. I hope that you guys go check out the books and subscribe to this channel because we do fun things over here. Like, we be really looking out for each other over here. And I like that. I like that a lot. Bye, guys.